Open your English language books, page 47.
Ma'am, chapter.
Yes?
Ma'am, chapter 14.
Chapter 14, position words. Chapter 14, position words.
Ma'am, page number 47.
Yes, page number 47.
Position.
Yes.
इसे rough register में करना है मैम.
First we will revise orally, then I will tell you to write the answers, okay?
मैम हम लोग को रजिस्टर निकालना है या नहीं?
Yes, take out your language book, English language book and revision register. Your pencil, your eraser. When I will tell you, then you will write. Okay? Page number 47, position words. Children, what do you mean by position words? पोजीशन वर्ड से पता चल रहा है कि जो वर्ड्स पोजीशन बताते हो, ठीक है. इफ आई एम सेइंग आई एम स्टैंडिंग ऑन द फ्लोर, मैं खड़ी हूं ये समझ में आ रहा, आई एम स्टैंडिंग, बट मेरी पोजीशन कहां, मैं कहां खड़ी हूं, वेयर आई एम स्टैंडिंग, ऑन द फ्लोर, ऑन द फ्लोर. तो अगर मैंने बोला आई एम स्टैंडिंग द फ्लोर तो भी क्लियर नहीं है. द फ्लोर क्या होता है, द फ्लोर, द बॉक्स, द टेबल. व्हेन आई एम सेइंग ऑन द फ्लोर, फ्लोर के ऊपर या ऑन द ग्राउंड, सो आई एम टेलिंग द पोजीशन. क्लियर? सो these are the words which today we will study: on, under, near, in front of, behind, because they tell us the position. Actually, what is the position of thing? Okay. Okay. So they are called position words. The clown is in the box. Where is the clown? You can see the picture. He is in the box, na? So you will write in
the box.
In is telling the position. So in is a position word. And what other name we call it? Preposition. अगर आपको further classes में Yes, Tanishka?
Do we have to only write the answers or the whole thing?
No. Only answers, because all the exercises तो already book में है, ठीक है? When you will write the answer and when I will check, so everything will be correct. You will be able to revise properly from your register also. Okay?
So we have to just to write the answers of the whole thing, like the clown is in the box.
No, only write the answers. Book में तो already you have filled now. In the book, children, you have already done, right?
Ma'am, इस बात की क्या लिखते हैं?
Yes, beta. Yes.
क्या लिखते हैं?
Now come to page 48. Page number 48.
Ma'am, अब हम लोग
Nobody will start writing unless I will say. Okay, wait. Now first we will do orally. Look at the pictures carefully. See, so many pictures are here, and write down the correct position word. So as it tells the position, on किसी के ऊपर है, in मतलब inside है, behind पीछे है, और in front of मतलब मेरे सामने. So whatever these words we will see in the picture. Number 1. See number 1. Cat. First, cat. The cat is dash the ball. Behind the ball. Okay, one by one I will ask. Then Aditri.
Yes, ma'am.
Aditri, yes, start writing also. Aditri, number 1, the cat is dash the ball.
Ma'am, do we have to write this in the rough register?
Yes, start writing in rough register also. Only the answers. Yes, start writing.
Ma'am, we have to write rough register.
Only answers. Page, name of the lesson, write question. Yes, write the question and write the answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only answers. Okay. You can see the question from the book and write the answers.
रजिस्टर में लिखना है?
Yes, your revision register, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
The cat is dash the ball. Number 1. The cat is dash the ball. What can you see on the in the picture?
Behind.
Behind. Okay. Fradeen Khan. Fradeen.
Yes, ma'am.
The cat is dash the ball.
Excuse me, ma'am. Do we have to write from the starting?
Yes, beta.
We have to write from the starting.
Yes. From the starting.
Right here.
From answer 1 behind. From here you have to.
Excuse me, mama. Ma'am, I can hear your voice. What are you saying?
Yes, start from the starting. Question number A.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Yes.
Mama, behind. Behind लिखना है या वो क्या is behind लिखना है?
Only behind. Only behind. Next, Abdullah.
Yes.
The cat is dash the ball. The cat is
Behind.
number 3 picture. 3 picture में देखिए question A. Number 3.
Near.
Under. Very good. Again, the cat is under the ball. Number 1 behind. Number 2 near. Number 3 under. Number 4. Agrim. 4th picture. The cat is dash the ball. On the ball. Very good. Agrima. Number 5. Number 5. The cat is dash the ball.
Oh, ma'am. Ma'am. Oh.
The cat is in front of the ball. The cat is in front of the ball. In picture number 5. Alina, number 6 picture. Alina.
The cat is in the box.
The cat is in the box. Very good. Now, Alizba, come to question number B, children. Question number B. Fill in the blanks with under, near, on, inside or behind. They can be used more than once. मतलब means you have to fill in the blanks with under, near, on, inside and behind. इन सारे words को you have to fill according to the sentence. And if you कहीं पे भी जरूरत है कि under 2 times आ रहा है, answer 2 भी है, answer 6 भी है, so you can write. They can be used more than once. Okay. So number 1, Alizba, Amira.
Ma'am.
The frog is dash the sofa.
The question is blind.
On the sofa. Children, इसमें बेटा you have to see the picture and then do. Yes बेटा, correct. On the sofa. See children, इसमें आपको picture देखना है. Only picture and then you have to do. Okay. The frog is on the sofa. Very good. Then next is Abhiraj.
Ma'am, I have done my work.
Yes. Wait for a minute beta. Just a minute. Let me complete this. Children, start doing B question in your register. B1. Number 2, Abhiraj.
Ma'am.
The question is dash the frog. Question.
Ma'am.
Frog ke, you can see red cushion is there na, red cushion is there on the sofa.
Behind the frog.
Behind the frog. Very
Ma'am,
good.
behind.
Behind the frog. Yes. Devjot. Devjot,
Yes, ma'am.
the dog is dash the sofa. Near the sofa. Very good. Jason,
Yes, ma'am.
the fish bowl, जो fish का bowl है, is dash the table.
Position.
In the table.
Inside the table.
Fish bowl, beta. The fish bowl is dash the table. On the table. Yes. Bowl table के ऊपर रखा है ना. The fish bowl is on the table. Okay. Okay. Next number 5 is Lavya. Lavya. Lavya.
Yes, ma'am.
No, where is Lavya? Manvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Open your microphone, Manvi. Yes. Now Manvi tell. Number 5. The fish is dash the bowl. In the bowl, बेटा यहाँ पे in होगा but क्वेश्चन में आपको inside दिया है, so you will write inside the bowl, okay? Inside the bowl, okay? It will be inside the bowl. Musa, okay बेटा, okay, just wait. Let me finish this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Musa.
ma'am.
Number 6, the book is dash the fish bowl. The book is dash the fish bowl. Dash, the book is dash the fish bowl. Number 6,
Near.
near, very good. Who is this Nafis Khan?
Naman Khan.
Nafis Khan, who is this?
Ma'am, Naman Khan. Nafis
Ma'am, Zeenat's father's name is Nafis Khan.
Amir Ahmed's father?
Zeenat's father.
Zeenat, okay, okay. Zeenat is there?
Yes, ma'am, she's studying.
Okay. Zeenat, now tell me number 7. The mouse is dash the bag.
बोलो मैम.
on the wall, ma'am.
Mouse, beta. Mouse is
On the bag. On the bag.
on the
Ma'am,
bag.
on.
Okay.
Ma'am, just.
Okay, beta. Next, Naman,
Yes, ma'am.
8. The mouse is dash the table.
Ma'am, I have one remote.
The mouse is dash the table. 8th one. Naman,
Ma'am, I have done my work. Ma'am,
the mouse is dash the table.
under the table.
Under the table. Okay. Pavki. Wait. Pavki Mishra.
Ma'am, हम लोग को नीचे वाला
Pavki. Rishit Raj. Rishit.
Ma'am, I have done my work. Yes,
Just
ma'am.
tell me the answer, beta. The number 1, B, number 1. The frog is dash the sofa.
On.
On. Okay. Sanvi.
Yes, ma'am.
The cushion is dash the frog.
Ma'am, I go to toilet.
Go.
Ma'am, which question?
The cushion is dash the frog. Number 2. Sanvi, behind.
Yes, ma'am.
It will be behind, beta. Okay, behind the frog.
I have done my work.
Sarah, yes, children, I'm seeing. Sarah,
Yes, ma'am.
the dog is dash the sofa. Number 3. The dog
The
is
dog is the sofa near.
near the sofa. Okay. Sashwat,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
fish bowl is dash the table.
On the table.
Yes. Last, Tanishta,
Yes, ma'am.
the fish is dash the bowl.
In the bowl.
The fish is
In the bowl.
inside the bowl. Inside word is given in book, write inside, children. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now one by one, show me your work, everyone. Okay. Only A and B today you will do. Aditri, show me your work.
Yes, ma'am.
Question A. A you have done. Where is B? B not done.
No, ma'am.
Okay, you have to do B also. Fradeen Khan. Fradeen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Show me your work. Good. Only one question I can see, but just 9. Very question number A. How come 9 you are having? Only 8 sentences are there. Fradeen, which question you have done? Fradeen,
Yes, ma'am.
बेटे कौन सा किया आपने? आपके 9 कैसे आ रहे हैं ये sentences? How come 9? In, behind, on, ये from where you have done? See your work, I am not able to get it. Okay, do again A and B, page 48 only you have to do, only answers, children. Agrem, show me your work. Next. Agrima.
Ma'am, maybe question round for you.
Okay, Agrima. Alaina,
Yes, ma'am.
show me your work. Correct. Good. Then after Alaina is Alizba. Amira.
Yes, yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Very good. Beta, inside, write inside, children. For everyone, I am saying. Amira, keep the register down, beta. Number 5 is inside. We have